Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the lift gate. We're going to take these two bolts out. You can use a 10mm socket and a ratchet and extension, or you can also use a Phillips head screwdriver. And grab the light. You're going to pull towards the back of the vehicle. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. Grab your fingers in there, just pull. These are the two retainers that we're holding it in. To take the turn signal bulb out, you're going to turn to the left, and then you're going to pull this out. To take the bulb out, you're going to push the bulb in, turn to the left, and pull it out. It's a 1156 amber bulb. To reinstall, you're going to see these two tabs. They're going to line up with the grooves in the socket. We're going to push it down and turn it to the right. And to reinstall, you're going to line up. There's a bigger slot that's going to go right there. Line that up. And then turn to the right to lock it in. So this bulb right here in the middle is the brake light bulb marker bulb. We're going to turn to the left and we're going to pull it out. Then to pull the bulb out, you're just going to pull it straight out, just like that. This bulb is a W21 or a 7443. To install the bulb, you're going to just line it up in the socket and push, lock it in. And then to put it back in, you're going to line up the bigger tabs with the bigger slots and then turn to the right. And then this reverse light bulb is at the bottom. Twist it to the left and pull it straight out. To get this bulb out, you're just going to grab the bulb and pull it out. This bulb is a 921. To get it back in, you're just going to line it up with the slot in the socket, push it in, push it in to the hole and turn it to the right. All right, now we're going to reinstall this. Line these two tabs up with the holes. We're going to push in like that. Take our bolt on the bottom, get that started. Take our other bolt, get it started up top. Just snug that down. Not too tight because it's plastic, you don't want to crack it, so just snug that one down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.